next thing I want to try and do is grab an image and put it into a page on our website. I'm in Google Images right now. You run a quick search and select any random image. I'm just going to save that picture. In order to get that into our WordPress media, we need to save the image. So I'm going to call it Credit Union Image. And I'm going to throw that on my desktop just for now and hit save. So then I'm going to nip over into our dashboard in WordPress, and here you will see the media tab. So I'm going to go into our library so you can see what's happening in there. Here we have one image already. I've just called it Old People, sorry for the title, but it's an image that I put on our home page, and you'll see it coming up now. This is an image right here of some comfortable people looking at their laptop and doing their online banking through the credit union, whatever it may be. Happy smiley faces. So in order to get these images into our website, and again I just grabbed an image off Google Images search. Obviously you're probably going to want to create your own images because of copyright restrictions, maybe in a piece of software like Photoshop. Create some of your own graphics, but for demonstration purposes I'm just going to grab an image off Google Images and I'm going to add new. I'm in my media library, so I want to add that new image, and I put it on my desktop. So it says select files, and I just simply navigate to the file on my desktop, and I think I called it Credit Union Image. So let's just see what I got there. There it is right there. And let's open that. And it'll probably pop up, giving us an opportunity to add some alt text. In this particular case, I am going to put in some alt text, Credit Union Customer, because the alt text is actually a neat little way to get some additional keywords in there for search engine optimization purposes. You know, Google will pick up some of those keywords, maybe get you a bit of a better page rank on the search engine results pages. I'm not going to put a caption on, and I'll just put Credit Union Customer in here also. And we'll hit save all changes. And I'm going to throw this image into the test page for now, because I'll probably end up deleting that test page. So I'm going to go to all pages, and now that we've got that image in our media, I can go down to our test page and I can select edit, and I'm going to throw in a little bit of text saying here is an image of a customer setting up their account, setting up their online account. And then we'll hit enter, and we're just going to insert the image right here, right where my cursor is. So you can go to insert, upload or insert, and you'll see the tabs at the top. There's going to be from the URL media library. Well, it's going to be from my, actually I could take it from my computer, but I believe I already uploaded it into the library. I could go to computer and take it right off my desktop, and it will automatically go into the library, but I think I've got it right here already. So I'm just going to go to show. I'll leave it centered. You can have it on the left of the text, the right of the text. I'll leave it centered. I leave it full size because it's a relatively small image, but you do have options for thumbnails, medium, large, and I'm just going to insert that right into the post, and there it is. And then I can just hit update, and it's really that simple in order to put images in there. Obviously when you've got your text, a lot more text, you're probably going to want to wrap the image, wrap the text around the image. and we'll come back to that again in another video. At least you're able, at this point, there's the test page, there's the text that I put in, and here's an image. I might actually just go and put that, align that to the left, because it'll look a little bit better, but we're obviously going to go in and do a lot more with that at a later date. But I'm just going to refresh that and go into our page, hit refresh, and that should pop over to the left hand side over here. The image will pop over, there we go. And somebody keeps texting me, and we will we'll at a later date be able to go in and do more with those images. Suffice to say that we uploaded the images into our media library, and it's from there we can put them into our pages. Or you do have the option, if you want to add a new image into a page, you can insert it directly into the page. So there's a couple of ways to do that, but they're the basics. So let's move on to something else.